Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make stew in 3 simple steps. So I'm going in with my oil in the pan now, and I'm going to let this oil heat up. Okay, so step 1, when you're trying to make stew, first of all, you're going to boil your bell peppers and your fresh bell peppers and tomatoes. You're going to blend it, boil it into a paste like this. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2, you're going to take out your proteins of choice, wash it, boil it, and set it aside. Okay, so this is step 2. So step 3, you're going to fry it. So to find out how I boil this bell pepper like this, please check my first video when I made white rice and stew. I'm going to link that video with this one so you can see how I boil this. So it's just very easy. You boil your bell peppers and tomatoes, you boil your beef or protein of choice, and then you fry everything together. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to use 1 onion bulb for this. I'm going to go in with my onion. I'm going to come here now with 1 tin of tomato paste. I'm going to let this cook for some time. Then I add the fresh tomato paste. So now I'm going to go in with my thyme, my curry powder, some seasoning, a little bit of salt, just a little bit, a little bit of habanero pepper, stir everything in. I'm going to go in with my cooked bell pepper. And then I'll stir everything together. So I'm going to come here with ginger and garlic paste. Cover. So right now I'm going to come in here with my proteins. I'm going to bring in my beef broth. I'm going to cover this and let it cook. I'm going to come here with a lot of crayfish. and I'll just let it boil. So my ninjas, this stew is ready. So to go with our rice and stew, I'm going to fry some ripe plantain. So I'm going to cut this plantain and fry it in the pan. So these are the sizes that I want. Feel free to cut yours, whichever way you want. These are the sizes that I want. So I'll go ahead and fry this now. So guys, this plantain is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Beautiful. So there you go guys, your delicious pot of stew ready in 3 quick and easy steps. So I'm going to pair this with white rice and plantain. So I have this plantain here and the white rice. There you go with our white rice. Thank you guys for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a very beautiful day. Bye bye.